of guys have been asking me, how do we mine this coin? I'm talking about PERIA Coin. This coin right here that you can see. All right, this coin. Okay, so that's the app. That's the app. So let's see how we can mine it. Now, first of all, you go to the app. After you click on the link to install it, if you have not started. Now, when you come to the app, what you do is you click on mine. You can click on here. You can click here. You can click here or here to mine, right? Okay. So each of them is still the same thing to start the mining session. Now, each mining session lasts for 2 hours. So after 2 hours have elapsed, the mining session has ended. So you have to come and start a new mining session, right? And you can collect your reward, all right? You can collect your reward. But remember, continue to mine so that your streak, the more you mine every day, the more your streak will increase, all right? And then, if you also can refer people, just before you ask me, the referral is not compulsory. You can mine. Once you have up to 500 PERIA coin, you can withdraw it to USDT. Yeah, it's actually tradable. Like you can sell it on PancakeSwap, on some other desks like OKS exchange, decentralized exchange. We call it desk. That is those ones that are not exchange where you do KYC. Where you do KYC, exchanges like Binance, like Get.io, like BitGet, all right? Although they have their own desk. So now desk is decentralized exchange where you don't do KYC, where you don't have to register, you don't have to do facial ID, you don't have to show your ID card BVN before you can trade there. So that's what decentralized exchange means. So you can just anonymously trade your coin and then you make your money, you get a USDT, then you can swap your USDT to Naira on centralized exchange, or you can sell it to somebody, okay, who buys like for example, I can help you to open any of the exchange or the centralized exchange. You can swap your coin to USDT. Yeah, I'll do that, especially if you're on my Telegram group. All right, I'll do that for you. So you don't have an issue. The only problem right now is to earn the coins, and that's it. Any other thing, I can sort it out for you guys. All right, if you're on the Telegram group, so I'll continue to do videos that will help you, so you can do it yourself. Yeah, right from the comfort of your home. Okay, let's continue, guys. Now, these are your referrals, all right? Your referrals, all right? And then, if you want to know more, because people like asking questions, even when something is very self-explanatory, if you want to know more, please come here and read how it works, all right? This is how it works, this place, okay? All right, so now let's continue, guys. Let's suppose that I've come back now. I was mining before, but the time have elapsed. So right now, I will just click on this place to withdraw the ones we have made already. Okay, we'll click here to withdraw our coin. Now, before I forget, the coins, if you have up to 500, like now I have 234. If I have up to, these are my coins, so please, these are my earnings. All right, these are my earnings. 234 coins, all right? So if I have up to 500, right now, if I have up to 500, I'll be able to trade this, okay, on any decentralized exchange. And the amount is that was actually worth around $10 plus, which is like 13 to 14K. Yeah? Okay, so that's it. So now let's continue. That's in Naira, 14K Naira. Okay, so now let's go to claim our reward. Like whenever you come, and then you can just click here to claim your reward. Or if you start mining, you will still be asked to claim your reward. Now let's click on it. Okay, ready? All right. So we'll say we are ready. All right, good. Good, collect now and claim the reward. So let's collect our reward. Good, tap to collect. Okay, so we've gotten our PERIA, which has been added to the one we have before. I'll show you. Now let's start mining. Please don't collect your reward and stop. Start mining first. It's very, very easy. Just wait. It's still turning. Okay, now it's here now, right? Now you can see. So look at the time. Yeah, look at the time. So it's counting for us, all right? Now let's go now. Okay? So let's go scroll down. Scroll down. You scroll down, you see other things that you can do. Look here, complete task. So click on it. You see tasks that have been completed by you. So when you have completed some tasks, they usually give coins. Like yesterday, I was very surprised. I started this in new. I was very surprised. I claimed more than 100 coins. You understand? So you check here. Once you have achieved some of this result, like 10 blocks collected, you claim 5 PERIA. So these are places where you can come back. If your mining, that's why you have to be active. Your mining streak is, if it's up, like you continue to check, you collect all your coins, all your rewards. So you can see the ones I've completed and I've collected the coins, all right? You can see. You can see. So all the ones I've completed, I've collected the coins. I'm waiting for more now. All right, so once this one's complete, they will show green and I'll collect the coins. Now, where do you refer? Suppose I want to refer. I know some of you say, I don't know how to refer. I cannot talk to somebody. You don't have to talk to somebody, bro. Just come here. Just come here. Just come here. I don't know. You have something that can give somebody money. Why don't you want to talk about it? I mean, like, why you get keeping things? Just come here. Just come here to this referral and click on it. You can see I don't used to share you. I don't share. I've referred up to that. That's 35 people, 24 people are active. That's 11 are inactive, right? Okay. So come here, scroll down, and this is where you see your referral link. This is where you see your referral. This is your referral link. You can just click on here, copy. You can just copy it. All right, copy your referral link. Okay, you can just copy it. Now, if you want your referral link to be like customized, click on this place. Click on here. This custom here. This custom here. Click on custom. All right, to customize your referral link. So your name, your brand name will be there. Look at this. So once I click on it, that's my brand name. I have two for referral stuffs, AB Bassi, but normally I do answer easy tech. So, but this mostly for my referral because I want it to be memorizable. People can easily remember Ibasi, all right? So do this. You have to be in capital letter. Don't worry, the system will just recognize that you want to put your your brands, your whatever you want to put. But it should be short and memorizable. Yeah. All right. So that's it. So that once I click on this now. This time, when I click on this copy here, it will just copy everything, including this e-bus right here, all right? And then you can just share with a friend, They will just go to the app, download, and start mining. Everybody start making money, and the reward if I'm bringing the best. I think they give up like 6 PERIA, for inviting or onboarding the body. All right, guys, I hope you learn. I hope this video is able to answer all your questions. If you do have any question, apart from the ones I've explained, please kindly ask. And thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video.